What happens to your body when you take creatine every day? If you've ever looked at workout supplements, you've probably noticed that creatine is a popular ingredient in many products. Here's what you should know about this supplement. Creatine is naturally found in the cells of our muscles and helps them power through difficult tasks like exercise. It can also be found in the brain, kidneys, and liver, but that only accounts for about 5% of the total amount in our bodies. In addition to giving your muscles the energy to power through hard workouts, creatine has been shown to increase muscle mass by reducing protein breakdown. It can also improve muscle growth and speed up muscle recovery. Creatine is a popular supplement for athletes, weightlifters, or anyone looking to grow muscle and improve their strength. It is agreed to be the single most beneficial supplement for adding muscle mass by a large review of workout and fitness supplements. Because creatine is also found in the brain, it has been shown to improve brain health and even prevent certain diseases in the brain.